Hey there, today I'll show you how to fix payment not completed App Store. It's very easy to do. First, go to your iPhone settings, then find Face ID and passcode. Once you have entered your passcode disabled, Face ID for iTunes and App Store. After that, try to purchase in the App Store to check if the problem is still recur. If the problem is still occur, then it means your payment method may have been declined because of your Apple ID location settings. Now in your settings, tap on your settings again, then tap on your go to payment and shipping options. Here you will see your current payment methods. You can add or delete it from here, and tap on add payment method to add new payment method. And if this process is still not working, then go to settings again and scroll down and tap on sign out and then sign in again. Then from settings, go to screen time options and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Within the iTunes and App Store purchase section, ensure you have permission to install apps, delete apps, and make in-app purchases. Now, next step is update your software. Go to settings again, then search for software. Go to general setting and search for software update and tap on it. And then download and install if there are any available updates. And that's how you can fix payment not completed App Store.